Hi everyone, it's Sharon. I've got something a little bit different to share with you today. I've got some crafty critters on my work table. This is my design team project for Luise Heinzl for May. And when she approached us a few weeks back and said, hey, how would you like to work with my crafty critters kits? I was a little frightened because they're so different from what I normally work with. But I went through the kits and fell in love and said, yes, I'm going to do this. And I immediately, because of their vast cuteness, decided to make some charms and dangles from them. And she's got, I'll put some links below. She's got, I think it's, several kits. Couple journaling page kits, a couple of ephemera kits with tons of tags, coloring pages, and some are in sepia tones, some are colorful. And one of the things that really drew me to these kits is her mix of beautiful jewel tones, which I actually absolutely love. And then she mixes them with a lot of neutrals as well. So it was really fun. This has been very addicting for me. I could just make these things all day long. So I'll go through some of the things that I made with the kit. I'll start with this section down here. These little charm and dangle things, I took images from, with all of these, I took some images from journaling pages, some from tags, just different places. They're all different images everywhere that you can just pick and punch out and make into something really cute. So for these, I used just these plain metal rimmed tags, and I cut an image on the front, and then also on the back I just used, her tags are wonderful. They're just what I love. Old vintage script and vintage looking papers and things. So I backed these with one of those images, and then I made some handmade beads as well. And I really like making these. And for those, I just used my handy rolling tool. So what I did was I took several tags from the kit, cut paper strips from those, and you stick those in this little tool, roll them up, glue the ends, and then depending on what size strip you have, you can make different size beads. I hope I'm in frame G. Okay, so, and then when after I have them rolled up, then I actually dip them several times into this glaze, and it gives them a really nice, hard, shiny coat. And there are tons of videos online that you can check out on how to make paper beads. They're really fun. And then in the middle of them, I adhered some of this clear tape that I got from a printing company. I think they made them when they used to make hand ads. They would put these around the ads. So there's stripes and stars and all kinds of different patterns on the end. So I added those. And then I strung them on to the charm. And that's how I made those. This one has this cute little harmless mermaid. And then this one in the back. And then this little guy, really cute. I'm going to use the word cute a lot. His name is her name, Eco-Dyed Marguerite. Simmering expert, knowledge about plants, water, vinegar, and rusty pieces in a pan. She has a sheet of the definitions or the profiles of each one of the cute little critters. And so I just made kind of like a dog tag out of that and added it on here, stitched around the outside. And then because she is Eco-Dyed Marguerite, I added a piece of Eco-Dyed paper that I punched and just hung that in the end too. So that's that one. Then this next set of 8 are probably my favorites because they are just so gosh darn cute. So for these, what I did was I took a set of tags that she has, shrunk them down to teeny tiny little charms, and then I covered them with this diamond glaze adhesive. And this idea I got from Gina at Firefly Studio 67. And I believe she got the idea from Took's Craft Table. So I thought I would try those, and they were a lot of fun too. And then again, these kind of remind me of sort of like dog tags. So we've got the profile of the little critter, and then who they are. And then I made paper lace on the back sides of these, and I just used my edge punch to make a strip of decorative paper. And then the backs of all these charms, I've used images from the kits, some of the journaling pages, some are from the tags. Really a lot of wonderful images that she's got on there. So this one is Fussy Phenoctopus. And this little guy, I'm going to mispronounce some of these. Woolgoolian gerbil. And then these are the backs of those. This is Lace Addicted Brown Bear. And the backs on those. And all of the charms that I've got on my table here, I used these. I've used these dark colored bulb pins to hang them from. So these would be really fun to hang in journals, on bags, around your craft room, wherever. I think there's lots of unique places you can put those. This one is Washy Fish. Hopefully you can see these okay. And this pretty little one is Stubborn Butterfly. Rarely seen tiny guy, appears in times when Amazon says glue is a non-essential item. A reflection of the times, and I just love that pattern on the back. All of these tags with the images have coordinating plain tags in the kit that go with them. This is another Lace Addicted Brown Bear. This guy is Pineapple Owl. Controls the crafting time of each day, mostly seen with broken timepieces. And then a pretty floral image on the back of that one. And then this one is really pretty. I like her image. And she is the Harmless Mermaid. Then my next set, I just combined a couple of vintagey elements on these. So I put a little button. These little lacy flowers, there's 4 images. Those were from one of the journaling pages. Then I backed it with just an image from another part of the kit. And then I added a vintage stamp, some marble paper on the back. And then these flags were in the kit too. And these I just covered with some Mod Podge to give them a little bit more heft and protect the surface. Isn't that pretty? And then I backed all those with some grid paper and stamped on a number. So these 4 are very similar. And then this one is really fun to dig through some of my ephemera and find coordinating pieces. I hope this black background helps, because some of these are kind of tiny and light colored. And then back of that one. And this last set of dangles are more, pretty and fancy, I guess. And from these, I just got my inspiration mostly from this piece right here. This is, so you can see the versatility in this kit. She's got the little critters, and then she's got these lovely ladies with they're crafty tools as well. So she's got a bulb pin with the string of pearls hanging from it, and that's why I decided to hang these pearls from each of these. So I've just also added some laces and trims onto those. And for these tags, I actually took an image from the kit on the front, and then some tag images to line the back. And I used some glossy Mod Podge on these. And then I sandwiched them with a playing card, so it really gave it some heft. And this one has this back. And then this lady, she's got an inker and some washi tape in her hand. I'll try to get that up closer. And then I just used some velvet and silk trims and laces on these. And then this lady, she's got an awl. And her back is this marble. So that is my share for today. I hope it inspires you to make some crafty critters or some charms of your own. And appreciate you stopping by. Until next time, bye-bye.